Today we are going to do a DIY, do it yourself, on how to add Bluetooth to your old music system. This is a 20-year-old Iva music system. As you can see, it's just a 3 CD video player. So it was lying around. I'm not using it. I was using it with aux, but the audio quality was not good, so I was not using it for a long time. So today I am going to add the DIY. I am going to do the DIY on how to add a Bluetooth module to your existing music system. So I will show you a step-by-step process on how to add the Bluetooth to your existing music system. So going forward, so I just removed the different side plates on the top plate and the other side plate. So this is how it is now. So I have removed the 3 plates, and there is this CD, the actual CD changer. So I have removed that as well. So now it's a lot more spacious. So we can see now on how to do this. So before that, I'm going to show you the Bluetooth module that I had bought from Amazon. So this is the Bluetooth module that I had bought from Amazon. So it supports USB, Bluetooth, and then an SD card, and there is aux as well. There is a LED display here and some volume decrease, volume increase, scan, and mode selector. It's a small module. This costs around 250 to 350 rupees, in between 250 to 350 rupees. I will provide the link in the description, Amazon link in the description, where you can buy this. So let's see. So this is for the power. So we have to give 5 volts input to this Bluetooth device for it to start working. And this is as you can see, this is antenna for radio. This is antenna. This is antenna for radio. This is right output, left output, and ground. So right output, left output, antenna, and ground. From left to right, left output, ground, right output, and antenna for the radio. So this is for the power, 5 volts power. So this is how the Bluetooth module looks. This comes with a remote. This is the remote it comes with. It's quite compact, and it also comes with an IC L7805 CV IC. So L7805, let me show you. I don't know whether okay, it's not visible. It comes with a L7805 CV IC. So this IC is used for stepping down 12 volts to 5 volts. So now we need to look in the actual board. This motherboard. This is the motherboard for the audio system. So we need to look in this motherboard on how to connect this Bluetooth module to our old music system. So let me show you. So these are the 2 cables that comes with this. So the package contains a Bluetooth receiver, a remote, an IC, a step down IC from 12 volts to 5 volts, and these 2 cables. So this is the power cable, as you can see, and this is the actual left audio cable, left, right, and ground, and antenna. The red one is for antenna. Is for antenna. So let me show you. So this is the aux port in the music system, the left and right. So I have identified where it is and soldered it to I have soldered it to as per this. As per this, I have soldered left, ground and right, and this is the antenna. If you want radio you can connect it, otherwise you can leave it as it is. So the left is connected, the right is connected. And the ground is connected here. So this is how it is connected. The ground, the left, the right. Let me show you. So friends, as you can see that this Bluetooth module supports only 5 volts or 12 volts. 5 volts or 12 volts, and I was not able to find any 5 volts or 12 volts output in the motherboard. So what I did is I took an old Nokia charger, the round pin Nokia charger. It's an old Nokia charger, so in which we get a output of 5 volts. If you can see here, the output is DC 5 volts. So I'm not sure whether it is visible or not, but it's an old Nokia round pin charger. So I took this and I soldered the cables. As you can see, I soldered the cable with the given cable from the Bluetooth module package. So I soldered the black to the ground one. So the black to the ground one, the black to the ground one, and the right one, the black wire from the charger to the ground wire, and the other cable to the actual 5 volts one. So let's insert this in this and see if it switches on or not. This is the first step. So let's see. So we have to insert this in this red color one. So this is the way. So I have inserted it. Let me connect it. So see, it is switching on. So one thing is done. Now we have to connect the other port, that is the audio ports in the we have to solder it to the motherboard. So I have soldered these wires, and now the Bluetooth device is switching on. So it is getting 5 volt supply from the old Nokia mobile charger. So now I will show you on how to solder this cable to this. Friends, now we are going to connect the audio cable, that is the left, right and ground, and the antenna wire. So we have four wires here in the given cable: left, ground, right and antenna. So I have looked at my audio system, and as you can see, this is the aux which I used to use with the aux cable. So these are I have soldered left and right. You can solder either way, and after doing it you can see the audio output and change the speakers as per that. So these are the two things, and I have looked in my board, and there is a, if you can see here, there is ground here. So there is ground here. So I have soldered my ground cable to this, the left and right of the aux port to this. You have to find this in your motherboard. This is the only thing which you need to find out. Basically, if you can see the aux ports, these aux ports will be connected to your motherboard. So you just need to find out this is easy. And the other thing is ground you need to find out and solder it. So, and the other cable is the radio antenna. So I have left it as it is for now. I just soldered. So the given cable is very small, so I have added extra cables and soldered everything. So let's insert it in the Bluetooth device and see whether the Bluetooth gets connected and we get audio out of the Bluetooth. So friends, now that we have soldered all the wires, I have connected the speakers, and let's connect the cables to our Bluetooth module. So first I'm going to connect the power cable. So the first power cable is connected. Next I'm going to connect the audio cable. So I have soldered the cables and then use the tape to secure the cables. So let's connect this cable as well, the audio cable. So audio cable is also connected. Let's switch it on and see if you get the audio out of the Bluetooth or not. So switched on. Music system is also switched on. The Bluetooth is on. So let's switch on the Bluetooth in our mobile. So I think I have already paired it to test. So let me, so it's already connected. So once you pair it, it is already connected. It is showing us BT09LPY. BT09LPY, it is connected. Once you switch, let me switch off the Bluetooth. So that is disconnected. I have switched it on. It's already paired, so it gets connected immediately. So let's go to YouTube and play some music. Let's play some royalty free music. See, it's coming out of, as you can see. So it's coming, it's working. So it is working. So now let me show you the audio quality. So let me increase the sound and show you the audio quality. So the Bluetooth, the volume level from Bluetooth is 0 to 50 and the Bluetooth is at 50 now. In the mobile I have set it to 0. I am going to increase it to maximum, and in my music system it is set to 20. It is set to 20. So I will increase that as well and show you the audio output. So let's play a different audio and see.
आज कौन सी गाड़ी? हॉली वाली, सफेद वाली? हाँ,
पूरा दिन आपका ड्राइवर बनकर घूमना आसान है, मुश्किल है तो आप
Let me play one of my video. So I am playing this video of mine. The price mentioned on the
This is
around 2000 rupees, but you would get it in Amazon or Flipkart for 500 to 600 rupees. So this is how it is. So this completes the DIY. So now we have to make sure on where to install this. I cannot simply keep it on the speaker here, so I have to install somewhere in the music system so that it looks clean. I'll do that. So friends, as said, I have set this Bluetooth module here. So now I have fixed everything. So let's see for the last time how it's working. So it's switching on. Music system is also on. So let's switch on the Bluetooth in the mobile. It got paid. So it's working. So it's working. So let's see. So volume is 50. I'm decreasing the volume via the remote. So the remote is also working. As you can see, the volume is reducing. So I'm increasing the volume now. So 50 is the max. So the audio quality is quite good. The clarity is also good. So the music system volume is from 0 to 50. If I keep it by if the volume goes till 25 to 30, that itself is too loud. So our DIY is working. It's very simple. It doesn't take more than half an hour. Only the thing is you need to find the aux. You need to find the exact port for soldering the aux and the ground. And for the 5 volts, you can always use an old Nokia charger, or if you have in your motherboard, you can take 5 volts. You can even solder it to the 5 volts and directly give it instead of a Nokia charger. Or if your motherboard is giving 12 volts output, you can use the IC and step it down to 5 volts and use it. So this completes the DIY. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.